The following graphs are all even functions. Let's take a look and see what they have in common. This is a parabola, and it looks like if we drew a line right here on the y-axis, that the left side would be a mirror image of the right side. So it appears as though this graph has symmetry about the y-axis. If we look at the graph on the right, the same thing would apply. If we drew a line right through the y-axis, then the left side of the graph would look just like the right side. Here's another thing that you can look at as well. Let's say you had a point that's at 2, maybe 1. The point -2, 1 also must be a point on the graph. So for every x value and its corresponding y value, there is also a point with that negative x value and the same y value. Let's see if that holds for this next one. Here we have, looks like an absolute value type shape of v. And once again, we note that this has symmetry about the y-axis. The left side is a mirror image of the right side. Also, for a point that is on the graph, a point that has the negative x direction is also on the graph. So what do they all have in common? Well, they're all symmetric about the y-axis. So when we use the word even, what we mean is that a function is symmetric about the y-axis. We can also say if there's a point x comma y, there is also a point negative x comma y on the graph.